Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so you don't chase symptoms. Make sure Windows is updated and that you know whether auto hide is enabled. Open Settings Personalization Taskbar. Once done, toggle auto hide off so the bar stays visible. You'll also verify display arrangement in display settings because misaligned screens can push the taskbar off screen. These initial checks save time and let you perform targeted fixes rather than guessing why the taskbar vanished. Now you'll focus on the middle, hands-on steps. Open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer to refresh the graphical shell. This often returns a missing taskbar immediately. Make sure taskbar is locked and notification area settings aren't hiding icons you need. Next, inspect display scaling and resolution. Incorrect values can push the bar off screen, so set recommended resolution and 100% or appropriate scaling. These actions address both software glitches and configuration issues that commonly hide the taskbar. Finish by confirming persistence and handling stubborn cases. Restart your PC so change settings stick. If the taskbar still won't appear, create a new user profile or use System Restore to revert recent changes. Make sure no full-screen app or presentation mode is covering the taskbar. Press Windows key to test visibility. If problems persist, update display drivers and run sfc/dism to repair system files. These final steps complete restoration and the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.